This is a kind of a gear review on, this is a homemade piece of gear right here. This is an Altoids tin survival kit. A lot of people on YouTube have videos about their Altoids tin survival kits, so I thought I'd make one too. Starting out, you just see it's clearly an Altoids tin, and there's a rubber band wrapped around this right where it opens. I put that there to kind of keep water out, and it seals it shut pretty good. So it's just like a broccoli rubber band or whatever that you find on broccoli. It's from Tamura and Antilli, so that's always good. So let's take a look inside. Inside you see it's very neat and organized looking. On the top here it looks like we have some fishing gear, and on the bottom there's all kinds of crap in there. A lot of people in their Altoids kits, they have small things that they probably would not need, and also the thing about the tins is that there's usually not enough things that you can fit in there that can actually be useful. So in mine I tried to put as many things that would be useful as I could put in here. First off, there's 4 Q-tips. There's one I put in the straw just to save room, because room is key in this. So there's 4 Q-tips for cleaning out your ears, cleaning out wounds. You could use them maybe even to brush your teeth or something. There's probably 8 feet of cotton string. So usually people just put like 1 foot or 2 feet of string in there. It's not really enough to do anything with, so I bundled up probably 5 or 6 feet of that. There's 2 straws. One of them has a large, like a deck nail inside of it that you could use for a spear point or to chisel things. Like, I don't know, just be useful to have that. There's 2 straws for cleaning out water, and I brought 2 because if you're trying to survive with 2 people in the wilderness, then it would be a lot harder. It'd just be easier if each person had straw, and if there's sicknesses, and you wouldn't want to transmit them to other people in your party. This is a snack-sized Ziploc bag with a rubber band around it. This is hard to squeeze all the air out of, but it's good to get there. You can use it to hold water, berries, fruits, nuts, anything you want to put in there. It's a small sewing kit. Got probably 3 feet of sewing line and 2 needles wrapped around inside of a rubber band. There's a pencil, and there's also sheets of notebook paper down there to write with, and you could use this, I suppose, for lighting a fire because it's very dry, and also you can write with it on whatever, on the paper, or I put a few fishing lures. There's 3 rubber baits, just small 3 rubber baits, and this is for like in the rivers or in the lakes. It's a spinner fly. It's got a small treble hook on the bottom, and there's a blade that spins around, attracting many fish. There's a bundle of toothpicks. There's 2, 4, 6, 7 toothpicks bundled up. You can use these for poking stuff, cleaning your teeth, or there's many things you can use toothpicks for. Just be creative. 4 candles, probably 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes of light with these 4 birthday candles. You can use them if you need to start a fire, and make sure not to, because if you just have 1 match or something, you light this with the match, and now you'll have a lot more time to light whatever you need with this. So there's 4 candles right there. There's some safety pins. There's 5 safety pins all hooked together to stitch together a wound or clothing that's the worst if you have a button break off in the middle of a backpacking trip or something. A Pic Mini Lighter. This works a lot better than matches usually do because it's a lighter, just a lot more effective usually. And I also have matches inside here. Matches in a striker pad for just in case your lighter fails, or I don't know, but if you need this lighter, and even after you're out of fluid with the lighter, you can just do like that, and there's still sparks come out, and that'll work like a magnesium rod or flint and steel or whatever. 2 unopened razor blades for any. It's just always good to have blade with you wherever you need, because then you can use it to chop up your fish or game or any kind of things you need to chop up. They're 2 unopened, so they're not going to cut you because they've got the cardboard sleeves on them right there. Snare wire, I put a roll of that. This has got 3 2-feet sections of wire right here. So that's your snare wire to build snares to catch small animals. P38 Can Opener for opening cans if you need. These are really cheap. You can get them pretty much anywhere online. One of the expandable towelettes. If you want to see more about this, you click on it, and there'll be a link to my survival fanny pack video, which has a lot of these, and I can't explain it more. There's a tin survival whistle, which Cutlery Lover has a video on how to make these. They're very simple to make out of a pop can, and you just kind of bend it over like this, and then you pinch it in your fingers, and then it makes a very loud and effective whistle, and it also folds up pretty flat. Right here is part of a Coke can that I cut out so it fits perfectly inside there. You can use this for a reflective surface, or you can make more survival whistles. These are probably made out of the same can. There's some metal, and it's kind of sharp too if you needed to cut something maybe. There's a sheet of tin foil. This is like 3 by 2 feet of tin foil, I think, or 3 by 1 feet. Sorry. It's tin foil. I just folded it all up. You can use that for cooking food over a fire or a lot of stuff. I put 6 latex-free, so they're 6 fabric band-aids put inside there. There's like 5 or 6 sheets of notebook paper, so you can use this in combination with a pencil to create writing, and so you can use that right on here. I'll write you a little message. There you go. Hi, YouTube. And finally, there's an iTunes card, which is just, you can use this. I kind of sharpen the edge a little bit. You can use this for scraping or chopping things up or throwing. just handy. That's my Altoids tin survival kit. Thank you for watching.